It's the holiday season, and of course, you have been searching for the perfect side dishes to round out your table. Well, here at the Side Guy Cooks, it's our holiday side dish series, and today's video is maple balsamic glazed green beans. So let's get started. Let's toast the pecans. Now let's prepare the glaze. Let's build the dish. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. green beans originated in the Andes thousands of years ago. Their cultivation expanded into the New World when Columbus came upon them and brought them back to Europe during one of his explorations around 1493. The combination of green beans, maple syrup, balsamic vinegar, toasted pecans, and dried cranberries creates the magic of this side dish that everybody will enjoy at your table. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like another great side dish to round out your table. Stay with us. Watch the next video.